Hello everyone, it's Melly. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. If you're, please don't forget to subscribe down below. If you like my content, I will be very happy to welcome you into our community. And for those of you who return to my channel, thank you so very much. I really appreciate it. So today I wanted to film you a haul. I did an order on the website Yes Style. It was the first time for me, and it is a website where you can find a Korean brand, some European brand, American brand. So there is no so much thing as new stuff. For example, there is e.l.f., but there is not the mini eyeshadow palette or the new pretty primer, the matte or the luminous one. But I did still find some makeup that I was interested in. So yeah, I'm very happy to show you that. What else? I did film a makeup tutorial on this look. If it is already up, I will put it right here if you didn't check it yet. And actually I already filmed this makeup haul, but the video was a mess. My daughter was crying, kids were playing, screaming, keep interrupting me. The sun was on my face. It was a disaster. So I decided I had to film it again for the video to be more watchable and more enjoyable for you guys. I will show you the product that I bought, just picking in the box, no particular order. So first product that I have right here is a foundation from Pony Effect. She's a YouTuber. I don't remember the name of the owner of this brand, but she did a collab not so long ago with Morphe, you know, the pastel palette. That's her brand, Pony Effect. So it's a cushion foundation, everlasting cushion foundation. I have the color Natural Ivory. It appears to be a little bit light for me. There is a mirror right here. Little puff, but I'm not gonna use that, I think. And here you have the product, and what is great is that they send me a backup for the cushion, and it is there is SPF 50 in it, and I really wanted to try something cushion foundation. I don't know why, I was just appealed to it, and for summer I think it's gonna be great. It is apparently lightweight, not full coverage, more on the light side of the coverage, but for summer I'm okay with it. And apparently it's kind of buildable, so we'll see. What else can I tell you, because it's all in Korean, so normally it's like a more natural finish going into the luminous side. So we'll see. I really love the packaging. It is so sleek. I love the black and the gold rose. That's just very beautiful for me. So I can wait to test this foundation. I also bought some eyelashes. Here they are. The only thing really annoying with this website is that they put the tag all over the packaging, so it can really ruin the packaging. For the lashes, that's okay, obviously, but for some other product I'm gonna show you, it's kind of bothering me. But here they are saying Glam Volume Sexy, but I have the impression that they're the same lashes. They're saying 3D, and I think it is an American brand, Morley's, maybe the brand. I received as a gift also this really cute sheet mask. It's Sweet Honey Bear Face Mask, smoothing and nourishing. It is a Korean brand, I'm guessing, yeah, made in Korea, and it's all in Korea writing. But it is, yeah, for smoothing and nourishing, so that's always good. I'm quite happy that I received that. As a gift also, I received a liquid lipstick from Sugar Peel, so it's an American brand. and they're saying luster lip color in a unique liquid cream blend that keeps your lips feeling soft and sweet all day. And I have the color, wow, I have no idea how to pronounce that, so I'm gonna show you. They're saying matte and sparkle. So it can be matte and sparkle. Anyway, it's a beautiful purple color with some blue and purple glitter. It is really pretty. Here is the packaging. I know the brand by name, but I never tried it, so I'm quite happy with this gift, and the color for me is really beautiful. Another American brand, this one is from LA Colors. I have the High Shine Shea Butter Lip Gloss. I took the color Sensual, and I'm really into gloss lately. Here is the, oh, it smells good. Like vanilla or something like that. I like that scent. And yeah, I'm really into gloss lately. I think because of the summer. It's a pretty nude. Going, I think, into the pinky side. It appears to be quite glossy, so that's good because that's what I really wanted, something glossy and juicy on the lips. I bought from Beauty Maker. It is from Korea as well, I think, because there is a lot of this kind of writing again. And it is a mist, long-lasting makeup setting spray, Mist and Fit. The packaging is so pretty. I love the white going into an ombre pink. It is matte. It is really pretty. Yeah, the mist appears quite nice. Very soft mist. I think that you have to keep it quite close to your face, otherwise I don't feel that much mist going into my face. It's quite light. But yeah, I will test it. Another brand that I think you can find in the US, even if it is Korea or from that part of the world brand, it is from Olika, and here is the issue with the tag. I mean, it is quite difficult to remove and it's really ruined my packaging, so that's really bothering me. It's a Jelly Dough blush, and I have the color Apricot Jelly. Like I said, I'm really into cream lately, I don't know. There is a little puff, a mirror. I'm not gonna use the puff, but it's always good to have one. And as you can see, I already put my fingers on it because I already filmed this video. But it's a really great color. It is matte and the texture is really funny because it's creamy, but in the same time it's when I'm pressing, it's really like hard and soft in the same time. That's helping you, right? But the color is quite pretty. You have it right here. I have the impression, yeah, that it's gonna be matte. We'll see if it's working well on the cheek or not. I bought as well some brushes. They're quite pretty, but I have no idea if they are good or not because I don't know the brand, and actually there is nothing on here. They are saying Stroke of Beauty. I don't know if it is the name of the brand, but it is rose gold. And I have, yeah, different style right here. It appears that they're soft, but I have no idea if they're good or not, but we will test that out. Another brand from Korea, it's the 3CE, and I have another blush right here, and it's a cushion blush. Yeah, I know. I'm really staying in a theme, I think, with this makeup haul. You have a little mirror, the puff, and here is the color. I think, yeah, I have coral. And this one, as it is a cushion, you'll see it's quite different from the first one. The color is quite similar, but it's more liquidy and more glowy than the first one. Here is the swatch. So as you can see, it is more, yeah, reflective. This one is definitely matte, and this one I think will be more put more moisture on the face. I really like the texture, so I can wait to test that out. I hope that it is buildable. I'm guessing so, but we'll see. I bought a concealer because maybe you know, maybe you don't know, I love testing concealer, foundation, all that kind of stuff. But concealer, yeah, I really like testing them because I need them. I don't sleep that much or that well, so I really need a good coverage. And this one, they're saying it's from the SAEM, SAEM Cover Perfection Tip Concealer. I have the color Clear Beige, it's the number 1. It is quite mini actually. I was expecting something more big, but anyway. And there is some SPF 28. We'll see. I just tested. I think the color is quite good for me. Maybe a little light, but it can always work. From e.l.f. I have finally put my hand on the Poreless Putty Primer. So I don't present you this baby because I know that you probably already know this one. So here it is. It is quite hard actually. I was expecting more. We don't see a lot of on the finger right here, so we'll see. I hope that it will work because I heard so much about it that I'm like expecting a lot more from this product than from others. And to finish up, I bought 2 palettes. One is from As Beauté. It's the Classical Paradise. The packaging is absolutely stunning. I love it. Tropical flower is just very, very pretty. And the inside is just wow. I love that there is a mirror. For me it's really important, and I really like the color scheme. It's really like, yeah, safari for me, or more like, yeah, jingle, because there is a khaki, a yellow, the orange, some purple. I really like it. I'm gonna show you some swatches. I'm not gonna do them all, but when I will do a look with this palette, I will show you swatches from all the eyeshadow if you want to. There are some fallout, but they appear very creamy. Not creamy like butter, but I barely touch my finger and I have a lot of pigmentation already on the hand. I'm really barely touching it and I have a lot of on my fingers, so that's promising. We'll see. So I'm quite happy because the pigmentation looks really good. I don't really mind the fallout. I just know that I will have to do my eyes first and be careful, not pressing too much. But beautiful palette, I can't wait to use it. And the other one that I bought, it's from a brand that I don't know again. This one I didn't test anything from that brand, also As Beauté, but if you know it, let me know. And this one is from Amor Us. It's from the USA, so let me know again if you know this brand or not. But I love the packaging as well. That's just wow. The name is Nala, and as a Disney fan, I was like, yep. Yeah, thank you very much. And I love the color story. There is a mirror as well. And for me, it's really like safari. Green, orange, all the purple. some neutral here. It's just, I love it. But I have the impression that the quality of the shadow are not that good compared to the one that is just swatched. There is some matte, some shimmer, and some like pressed glitter, like this one, or this one. But when I put my fingers on these shadows, it was like touching sugar, and when I tried to do a swatch on my arm, nothing appeared, everything was staying on my hand, and on the arm it was like going everywhere. I was like rubbing sugar and everything was disappearing. So I don't know how it will perform on the eye, but I will do just some swatches of the shimmer and the matte just to see, you know. So here you have some of the swatches. As you can see, the shimmer look quite good, but the mattes are lacking some pigmentation and some vibrancy, but we will see on the eyes what it will look like. But it's really not the same as the other one where I was putting the finger. I already have a lot of pigmentation, some fallout, but not here. We don't have any fallout. I don't know how the shadows will perform. I will have to try it, obviously. So let me know between the two palettes which one you want me to try first, the Nala one or the Classic Paradise. So let me know in the comments. And I think, yeah, I did show you everything. I'm quite happy with what I bought. I really hope that I will like it, obviously. But I will try it in a future video for you guys. I hope that you enjoyed. I really enjoy filming those kind of videos, and I do enjoy watching them also to see what other people bought and everything. It's really fun to watch, at least for me. So I hope that you did like it. If you did, please put a like on this video, share with a friend who love makeup as well, and I see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye bye.